Hello, students. This is Miss Mishu, and here is some information you need to know for your student loan assignment. Please open this up in Google Classroom. It's in Google Classroom, so open this document. And down here, you'll notice the student loan spreadsheet that you'll be creating in your financial plan. You should also open the financial plan. Now, as you notice, this looks just like your personal loan, except for the items have changed. So we're going to duplicate your personal loan and make the changes on our financial plan. So here we go. We're going to find the personal loan. Here it is. And we're going to duplicate it. So we're going to click on this down arrow and click duplicate. And you'll see the copy of it. So we're going to call this student loan. I'm going to call it student loan 888 because I have already a student loan. Okay, we're going to come up here, change the name of the title to student loan. Then we just need to change these variables. Pretty easy to do. So the amount of money that we're borrowing is $37,172 at 4.81% for 10 years. That's what will determine, those three variables will determine what your monthly payment will be. So we're going to come back here. We're going to type in the amount, $37,172. I'm going to type in the interest rate, 4.81%. And a lot of student loans are for 10 years. So you'll notice that your monthly payment is $390.82. This is how much you're going to be paying back over the 10-year period. And then the difference between what you borrow and what you pay back is the finance charge. That's how banks make their money. And so we got to link this now to your career plan. So the monthly payment is located in cell B5. So we're going to go to your career plan, please. Find the college loan. And the first thing we need to do when we link is type in equals, and then an apostrophe, and then the name of the sheet, so student loan 888, with another apostrophe, and then an exclamation point, and then a $sign before the column that we're copying from, the source column, and the source row, which is B5. And there you go, the college loan is here. So the beauty of that is, if anything changes on your student loan spreadsheet, we'll go to that. Let's say you only borrow $25,000. Everything else here automatically changes. It's like magic. All right, so $262.85 is now your student loan amount. So I'm going to go back here to this budget, and you'll notice that it inserted it here as well. So this allows you to do what-if analysis. What if, I change that? You should also link your car loan as well to this sheet in your groceries. So you should link every document in that same manner. So make sure you do that. And if you have any questions, make sure you reach out to me. Thank you and have a good day.